Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a girl washing her hands. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a bathroom sink and the faucet like this. Now let's draw a small stool on which the girl will stand to reach the tap. And now we draw the girl. I draw the shape of her face and her 2 ears. Then I draw her eyes, nose, and her smiling mouth. Then I draw her hair in 2 ponytails with bows on each side. Then I draw her body. She is washing her hands. I draw some foam here. Then I finish her outfit and her 2 legs. Finally, I draw a toilet very quickly. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the faucet gray now. I use blue for the cold water and red for the hot water. Let's use the colors of the rainbow. Red, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, a little dark blue, purple, and pink. I paint the stool green. For the girl's skin, I use cream. And I use light red for her mouth. I color her hair with brown. Then I use pink for her bows. Then I use purple for her skirt. Pink. For the foam, I use light blue. I color the bathroom with the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, light blue. I use light purple for the floor. Finally, I add a little light blue in the background. Awesome! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.